So here we're going to convert between centimetres cubed and metres cubed. So we're converting volume this time as opposed to last time when we were doing area. So again, I've put that little red note here, always pick the bigger unit. So I've got centimetres cubed and I've got metres cubed. Obviously metres are bigger, a metre is bigger than a centimetre, so that's the one that I'm going to use as my unit. So 1 metre times 1 metre times 1 metre. Remember, the volume of a cube is base times height times depth, so a metre times a metre times a metre is a metre cubed. Now I've got exactly the same cube next to it, but I'm going to be using my centimetres cubed. So I'm going to be using 100 centimetres, because I know there's 100 centimetre in 1 metre, times 100 centimetres times 100 centimetres. So it's not just, again, a lot of people think, oh, to get from metres cubed to centimetres cubed, you just times by 100, because that's what you do for length. It's not, you're timesing by 100 cubed, which is 1 times 1 times 1, and then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So what I've actually got is 1,000,000 centimetres cubed. So 1 metres cubed is actually 1,000,000 centimetre cubed. So to get from metres cubed to centimetres cubed, I need to be timesing by that million. Okay, so if I've got 382,000 centimetres cubed, make sure you put it in the right column. So I've got 382,000 centimetres cubed. I want to go against that arrow here, so instead of timesing by 1,000,000, I'm going to be going backwards and dividing by 1,000,000. And again, you can use your calculator, or if you haven't got a calculator, you can use your place value table. And we're going to have, so it's 382,000, so there's my decimal point, and we're dividing by this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros in 1,000,000, so that 3 is going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces. It's going to become 0.382. Okay, so what I'd like you to do now is have a go at these questions that are on your screen. So the green focuses on the example that we've just done, converting between metres cubed and centimetres cubed. The amber is a wordy question. And then the red, you will have to draw your own cubes and figure out the conversion. So you've got some kilometres to metres cubed, etc. So have a go at those, and I'll put the answers up shortly, so can you please pause the video now? Okay, here are your answers. Make sure these are marked. Make sure you understand where you've gone wrong.